ndị be anyị na nkụzi ụbọchị taa. Aha bụ Nwaada Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Na nkụzi ụbọchị taa anyị ga-amụ maka anụ na anụ mmiri. Anyị ga-amụ ihe a na-akpọ anụ si n'akụkụ arụ anụmanụ dị iche iche wee pụta. Hello and welcome to Igbo Tutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about meat and seafood. What is different types of meat called? Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. If you're ready, let's begin. So, the first set of meat we are going to look at today is number 1, pork. Pork is anu ezi. First of all, meat is anu, okay? So any type of meat, we are going to be putting anu, then that word, okay? Meat of this, meat of that, okay? That being said, beef is anu ehi. Ehi is cow, okay? So the animal I call, that is the name of the animal. Any word after the word anu is the name of the animal. Anu simply means meat, okay? So the word after it is the name of the animal itself. So the meat from the animal is now called anu of that animal. Enough of rambling. Goat meat is anu ewu. Chicken, anu okoko. Lamb is anu atoro. Okay. Fish. Now we are in anu mmiri, seafood. For seafood is a little bit different. For fish is azu. Azu is the fish itself. Azu is still the name of the flesh from fish, okay? Azu. Crab is nshiko, the same thing. Dry fish is azu mkpo. That is dried fish. Stockfish is okporoko. Crayfish is sha. Okay, that was a very short lesson, and I hope you got one or two things, because this brings us to the end of today's lesson. Okay, once again, don't forget to favor this video, like this video, share this video, subscribe to Igbo Tutorials if you haven't, okay? And don't forget, practice. There is no other way around it. You just have to practice. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Till next time, go messy in the banyo.